What's up guys, Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the auto windows. If you have auto windows on a Mazda CX-7 and you press down and it does not go down, like when you let go, then you have to reset it. So, you see, this window, we're up. This is a really easy procedure, so maybe this will help somebody out. Okay guys, so you have to start on the passenger side door. You're going to go down for 5 seconds and keep holding. Then you're going to go all the way up and hold for about 8 seconds. And then we'll go to the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you've done everything correctly, you should now be able to just tap and roll down and pull up and go up. Same thing with the passenger side. Okay guys, this was just a short little video to show you how to reprogram your automatic windows for a Mazda CX-7. This is a 2010 model, but it should work for every other model. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.